Easy peasy very cherry cheesecake. You will need 8 ounces of soft cream cheese, 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, lovely, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it a boost, 2 teaspoons of some lovely fresh lemon juice, it's optional, that's up to you, 300 grams of crushed biscuits for that buttery biscuit base, 135 grams of melted butter, cherry topping, fresh, or if you prefer, for speed, tinned packet filling. Now to prepare the base. Digestives are the nation's favorite, and the most traditional to use for cheesecake, but you can also try alternatives. We love using ginger snap biscuits to add more spice. You could try malted milk. Alternatively, Biscoffs are great, they add a rich smoky caramel flavor to the no-bake base. Or try an Oreo base for pure indulgence, and they go really well with the cherries. Grab a rolling pin, and pop the biscuits in a Ziploc bag, and crush them gently, or smash them to your heart's content. Once they are crumbs, add them to mixing bowl, and add the 135 grams of melted butter. Then grab your chosen flan dish, and pour the crumbly mixture into the dish. Spread the mix out evenly, and flatten level, pressing the mix down as you go. This will help to hold the base firm. Now place it in the fridge. Next, for the topping. Beat the cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, and the lemon juice for 2 to 3 minutes, or until light and fluffy. Slowly pour in the heavy cream, and beat on medium to high speed for 3 minutes or until thick and creamy. Or you can beat with a whisk by hand. Spread the cheesecake mixture across your favorite, pre-prepared, chosen biscuit base. Return it to the fridge for at least 3 hours, or until firm. Then top it with your cherry topping, and refrigerate for another hour. Alternatively, if you can't wait, then just dive in. Enjoy!